Hey brother, Stuart Matola, men's relationship coach. I hope you're having a great day. And in this video, I'm going to offer you a 3-second tip for you to implement on how to deal with a hysterical wife. Maybe your wife isn't hysterical, maybe she's moody or volatile. If so, hang out. This is going to help you. So I talk to a lot of men every week who tell me that their wife has criticisms or comments about a guy's behavior. And she, says she wants one thing one day and then she wants something else another day, and he's struggling to kind of make sense of what's really going on and how he can be a better man for his wife or partner. And he notices that he's trying to follow her around, like, try to be a better man, and he's got this ethos in his head, this MO of happy wife, happy life. And he's really a good guy and he wants to make his wife happy, but he's just like, how the hell do I do this? It just seems like one day she wants me to be fully present. The next day she wants space. One day it's, am I showing up fully for the kid? Another day it's, I'm too in the kid's business, and it's enough to drive a guy crazy. So here's the 3-second tip, brother. And I've said this before in other videos, okay? Pivot on you, not on her, okay? I'm going to break that down, but just remember those words when you feel like you're going crazy, trying to follow her and what she's asking of you. Pivot on you, not on her. So what does this mean? I'm going to break it down here in about a minute. It means that when you're trying to follow her requests of you, or trying to interpret the complaints so that you can show up as a better husband or partner, don't use that as the primary pivot point for how you should behave. Okay? Because it'll drive you nuts. So pivot on you means, instead of you trying to follow what she's asking of you and having that be the fulcrum of how you show up in your relationship, pause. Get connected to you. What do you want? How do you want to show up? So in the example of, she's asking for more closeness and then she's asking for more space, what do you want in that moment? Pivot off of you. Get clear with yourself, brother, on your wants and needs and the relationship that you want to create, okay? Now, that doesn't mean ignore her completely, what she's asking of you, but you consider what she's asking of you as kind of a side thing, okay? Something that you want to consider, but your alignment, your fulcrum, is based on you, okay? Because that's where you can be solid, brother. Because if you're trying to follow her all over the place, it's going to drive you nuts. It's going to deplete your self-esteem in the relationship. So stay connected to you, pivot on you, and then be considerate of what she's asking of you. And just know, hey, I'll do my best, but I'm not going to follow you all over the place as what you're asking of me feels like it often changes. So this is different than happy wife, happy life. Okay. This takes the orientation to rely on you, brother. What's clear for you, head, heart, gut, balls, in terms of how you want to show up in your marriage or relationship? You're a good guy. I know you are, because you're watching this video and you care. And if you didn't care, you wouldn't be watching this. And just knowing that you care is enough to know that you're going to be sensitive to what's important to her. But that's a very different orientation than using her requests and what matters to her as your actual, center. Okay, that will drive you nuts. It won't work. And furthermore, you won't be the solid, strong, steady, calm guy that she's seeking ultimately. Because women do rely on their men to be that calm, steady ship in the day and in the night, even if she's having fluctuations in her emotions and moods. And so you're going to show up as a more powerful, strong, capable, and confident man when you pivot on you and you don't pivot on her. So try it. Pay attention to those words, and remember, when you feel like you're lost with her, to come back to yourself, get clear on what is aligned for you. I hope this was helpful. Check out links to my work below. Thanks so much for watching, brother, and have a kick-ass day. Bye.